Bitcoin money sort of is a mid-position digital currency presently estimated at $232.35 that has a place with the class of mineable coins, with a market capitalization of $4,544,607,079 in a significant manner. Over the truly past in every practical sense, scarcely any years, cryptographic forms of money, including Bitcoin money, laid out major areas of strength for and in the worldwide monetary world and truly are currently being exchanged comparable to conventional resources like stocks, wares, and unfamiliar monetary forms, forex. A few institutional financial backers even essentially consider crypto as a productive supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy, which is genuinely huge. Retail financial backers and merchants are fundamentally keen on digital currencies truly, for example, BCH in light of the fact that this essentially is seemingly the most open monetary market, where various resources have the potential for 100x to 1000x increases in a generally essentially brief timeframe, which sort of is genuinely huge. These profits especially are in every practical sense unreachable in by and large different business sectors, which is the justification for why most moderate financial backers truly are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Bitcoin money. While the groundbreaking ones basically give a critical part of their funding to this quickly creating resource class in a very huge manner. At this kind of specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Bitcoin money to the level at $232.35 where it right now sits, which in a real sense is very critical. As currently referenced, BCH especially is a mid-positioned cryptographic money since it as of now possesses the 22nd spot in worldwide digital currency rankings, the especially metric that in every practical, not entirely set in stone, by duplicating the sort of current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource, which essentially is genuinely critical. On account of Bitcoin money, the market capitalization by and large stands at $4,544,607,079. The significance of this boundary will be made sense of later in a truly significant manner. Our cost expectation calculation in a real sense is planned in lovely such a manner that it ceaselessly screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to furnish our endorsers with the most reliable data on the very present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to enough truly survey the condition of their portfolio and especially choose whether or not it especially needs to in every practical sense be reconfigured. Which explicitly is genuinely critical. Our calculation additionally really focuses on authentic information, which in every practical sense is somewhat imperative for the kind of right assessment of both pretty current and expected market structure and the evaluation of its truly present and future heading, which truly is genuinely critical. Beneath you will explicitly find genuinely key passages of this verifiable information with the goal that you also could fundamentally have a comprehension of where the Bitcoin money market generally is going. Yesterday, on November 14, BCH essentially was esteemed at $234.73 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. Really recall that digital currencies for the most part are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m., which sort of is very huge. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period really added up to 2.56% in an unpretentious manner. 7 days prior, on November 8, Bitcoin money truly was exchanged at $244.03 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that for the most part near its kind of present situation in an unobtrusive manner. On October 15, which generally was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged BCH at $215.15, the cost level that generally is at the distance of 7.99% from where it as of now sort of stands in an exceptionally enormous manner. The cost of BCH and the readings of CVIX basically are not by any means the only measurements that we use while attracting the cost expectations in an unobtrusive way. Market capitalization generally is another significant in every practical sense metric that in a real sense assists traders with explicitly deciding the notoriety of the digital money being referred to, as well as its future possibilities, which especially is very huge. It's likewise used to sort of evaluate the offer that Bitcoin money truly holds inside the truly whole digital currency market in a very significant manner. The equation for the computation of market capitalization fundamentally is somewhat straightforward. The flowing stock of the money being referred to in a real sense is duplicated by its genuinely current cost. As of the hour of compassing, The market capitalization of BCH truly remains at $4,544,607,079, enough to name it the 22nd most, certainly the biggest coin on the digital currency market. Exhibiting that underneath you will by and large find essentially key portions of this authentic information, so you also could by and large have a comprehension of where the Bitcoin money market explicitly is going, which truly is genuinely critical. Yesterday, on November 14th, the market capitalization of Bitcoin money generally remained at $4,590,955,970, and every way that really matters, as opposed to prevalent thinking. 7 days prior, on November 8, the capitalization of BCH for the most part was $4,770,550,776, showing his 7 days prior, on November 8, Bitcoin money by and large was exchanged at $244.03 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that in a real sense near its truly present position, which certainly is very critical. A month prior, on October 15, how much by and large capital streaming around this truly specific market most certainly added up to $4,200,458,837 in an unobtrusive manner. Most cryptographic money financial backers generally stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with an in every practical sense certain digital currency and its capacity to especially endure disturbances, which sort of are the very normal event on this profoundly unstable market, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. The sort of most extreme stock of Bitcoin money fundamentally is 21,000,000 BCH. The very all-out supply of BCH right now remains at 19,559,513 coins, so as of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of BCH in every practical sense remains at $4,544,607,079, enough to name it the 22nd sort of the biggest coin on the digital currency market. Exhibiting that beneath you will explicitly find truly key portions of this verifiable information, so you also could really have a comprehension of where the Bitcoin money market is going in a significant manner. The flowing stock of the cryptographic money under survey in every practical sense is 19,559,513 BCH in an unpretentious manner. This Bitcoin money cost expectation wouldn't sort of be finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it is the measurement utilized by basically all digital currency merchants to really affirm the strength of the pattern and the practicality of a market move, which for the most part is very critical. For example, assuming the breakout to the potential gain by and large is happening on the rear of the extremely low exchanging volume, there in every practical sense is an extremely high likelihood that this move for the most part is unreasonable and would basically bring about a bullish snare, all things considered. Further appearance how very retail financial backers and dealers are really keen on digital currencies, certainly, for example, BCH on the grounds that this generally is ostensibly the most open monetary market, where various resources sort of have the kind of potential for 100x to 1000x increases in a moderately